Please have your seats. Your Excellency, my chief host, he offered me a basket of wine that didn't flow. But I'm with you. I am here to fulfill a promise. A promise made is a promise kept. Your Excellency, Governor Wike and our dear First Lady, good afternoon. And it's a great honor for me to be here. And I could see happiness radiating in the air around Port Harcourt and Rivers State. We have so many things in common. That is the politics of our country. But today is no longer a day for campaign. Like you said, the campaign is over. Let's govern. And it's about governance. The House of Representatives Speaker, Honorable Femi Gwajabiamila, Your Excellencies, Governors of Jigawa, Oyo, Kwara, Imo, Ebonyi, and my dear brother, friend, colleague, and the government house, a man of great integrity and very honorable indeed, a developer of human beings and character. Dr. Peter Odili, you have my respect. You are my friend. And thank you for everything. Former governors of Rivers, Ekiti, Edo, Delta, Bayelsa, others here present. Please forgive me if I skip you. The newly elected Governor of Rivers State, I am indeed very happy to meet you. Even though he's Wike mentioned, you dig one and they dig the other. But I'm not going to respond right now. I salute Chief BC Akande on my entourage and our Chancellor Odidigboi James Ibori. Honorable ministers present, members of the executive of Rivers, our newly elected House of Rep members and the senators of Rivers State that will be collaborating with me in Abuja. You have special mentioning. Take a road that Wike never taken. If you talk of character, you can very well say, Your Excellency, Governor Isam Wike, you are very dependable. It is an honor and privilege to be in your midst today. I am a very happy man. Happy because I went through a gruesome campaign, fought hard, beat myself, supported by many of you, and I won. Fair and square. Ism, I say thank you for your contribution to my victory. I couldn't have done it without some structural support, as not describable in a flyover. In His Excellency, I see a man of principle. He took a principled stand that the presidency must return to South. And he has the courage to stand by his convictions, not minding whose oxes go. He is indeed a man of great integrity. He did not choose to serve his own interests, not about him. Rather, the interests of the nation. You promoted unity. You promoted fairness. You championed justice. Thank you. There was so much gossip and speculations, but you stood your ground. I find the construction of this flyover and my invitation to this project To commission this project today is another way of building bridges. We cannot be overstated, the need for Nigeria. It is on the strength of your character that I stand to fulfill the promise I made during the campaign to you. I'm happy that we are being able to establish a relationship. I will leave Sanwo-Olu to give you back your banter and response. I am the president-elect. Your president. We know, we know, we know, I see what you know, we know. I say you go, we know, you know, we know. It is a great honor and moment for me. I see all the preparation, the declaration of a public holiday, the banners on poles, the signs all over. I am a very happy man. We have some more remarks to make. Eventually. Kende, the governor of Oyo State, let me congratulate you on making a followership and partnership with Wike. The 12th flyover and the demand you made for refund, I owe you nothing. It's your road. You can chuckle me and make a demand. You are the one living on this road. I commend your effort. You have to lobby me to collect. Ism has made people happy, create excitement and development across this state. We have something to look forward to. Nigeria. You and I must discuss that. Not expected in-depthness. Thank you very much.
Sir, it's time to cut the tape, sir. Don't walk it, don't try.
Supposed to the jaya jaya. Kilo come compensing matter. Person with that matter. When I land softly on the sofa floor. So far so good.